Hello everyone! I'm so excited to be sharing with you my packing list for my upcoming Europe trip this summer. I will be backpacking around Europe with my boyfriend, and we will be visiting 4 different countries and 9 cities. I've decided to travel very light for this trip, leading me to use these 3 bags. The Osprey Fairview 40-liter backpack is going to be my carry-on bag, so basically my main bag that I'm going to use to put everything in. Usually I pack my shoes first. I chose to pack an athletic shoe for everyday wear, and a pair of black booties for dressier occasions, and a sandal that can be worn every day. Half of the destinations we are going to, I think, will require me to wear jeans, so I decided to pack 1 pair of black jeans, 1 medium wash blue jeans, and a pair of leggings. I prefer to roll all my clothes to save space when packing. Since some of the places will be hotter, I chose to pack 2 pairs of shorts, a plain denim short and an olive green kind of silk-like material short. I also love to use these Eagle Creek compressible packing cubes. They come in super handy. Next, I packed my tops. I picked 3 long sleeve shirts, or just longer layers, and 2 tank tops and 1 short sleeve shirt. I tried to keep the tops as neutral as possible so they can mix and match with the bottoms that I packed. In another small packing cube, I packed my underwear, bras, PJs, and socks inside just a small compressible packing cube. Now it's time to put everything into my backpack. I packed my shoes first at the bottom because they're the heaviest, then my pants, tops, bras, and socks and toiletries, and makeup. I can't leave without a jacket, so I packed my Uniqlo Block Tech parka. That should keep me dry in any rain and also warm if there's like a ton of wind. In this bag, I'll be packing all my in-flight essentials that I'll need handy during my flight. Since I plan to be filming a little bit, I would pack my camera, tripod. I will also need my wallet and passport, my eyeglasses case to put my glasses in while I sleep, and a pen. I'm also packing my Matador day pack as well to use during the day instead of using my large Osprey backpack with a small purse. And that's everything. Thank you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to follow me on my vacation. Thanks guys!